back to our channel, the Cool Cupcake Sisters. Right now, we are in Roaring Camp and Big Tree. And we want to take you with us to ride an open car train. Yay! Of course, we're excited, guys. This is our first time. What makes it more exciting is that we are going to be riding in the middle of a jungle where we can see lots of big trees close up. This is really cool, guys. So let's go. Well, guys, before we go to the train station, we decide to stop at a blacksmith workshop. Blacksmithing is where you heat up metal so that you can shape it into really cool stuff. This woman is showing us how to blacksmith metal so that you can twist it. At first, it's hard, so you have to heat up the metal so that you can be able to twist it with tools. When it is done, it needs to be cooled still. It is really, really hot. So, after it is done and needs to be cooled, she puts it in cold water so that we can all touch it afterwards. Right now, she's twisting it. So check it out, guys, and see the cool result.
Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Now again, number one rule, just because it's not glowing doesn't mean it's not hot. Because it's still hot enough to burn straight through the leaf, right? Or boil water on contact. But after just a couple seconds in the water, it is cold enough to touch.
Oh my goodness.
All right? So even though it was just over 1,000 degrees, right?
So cool, right, guys? I need to try it sometime.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So now, here we are at the train station, waiting for the train to arrive at our time. Everybody's lining up waiting, but when the train comes, there's going to be a lot of people getting in. Try not to get crushed. Hooray! Keretanya sudah datang! Let's go naik, guys! Let's get inside! As you can see, this car is really cool because this car is open like the ones they use on safaris, which means you can see through them, and it's really cool when you're going on a train that goes through nature. As you can see, a lot of people are coming and it's getting more crowded, but I'm just so excited.
Left in town. It's good luck and tradition here at Roaring Camp. Remember, we're on the train. All these people are stuck. So rub it on in. And we're going to have some great shots of this old antique steam locomotive coming around the bend up here. Take notice, this is not your conventional style steam engine like you would see in an old western movie. These had never run on any type of main lines back in the day of steam trains either. They were built for logging and coal mining. It's called a Shay locomotive. Chances are you've never seen an engine like this unless you were out working in the woods back in the day. And all the loggers were working.
FYI, guys, this train goes pretty slow, and the ride is about 15 minutes in total. So, I hope you guys can come here, because so far this is looking really cool. I mean, like, there's huge trees everywhere. You can see, like, the view that you wouldn't see normally unless you're on in this area. And yeah, it's really cool.
The Shays have 3 cylinders, all on the right. Steam's hitting those cylinders, pushing the big pistons up and... Now you guys aren't seeing too much thick black smoke. You're not getting covered with a layer of hot ash and soot falling on you. Well, we don't shovel coal here. This engine was originally built as a coal-burning steam locomotive back in 1912. When it came out to California, it was then converted to burn oil. This type of oil comes from all of your automobiles. We burn recycled, reclaimed motor oil. Now you'll notice not much of that warm California. These trees were protected back in 1867. We have 100. Oh, another dead end back here. Brief stop, reline the switch. That's going to be in front of the locomotive. Change the rails and pull forward.
Gonna go back up.
Well, thankfully we made it. Welcome to Hallelujah Junction. No one had to help push.
Look at that, it's hard.
Oh, that's it. They need our help. They need to push.
Of course, because it's winter time, December, they had to make an area that had Santa Claus. They stopped in the area and we got to take pictures with Santa Claus and get free hot chocolate and candy canes.
Yeah, you want a drink? Can I see it? Yeah, you don't want a candy?
Before we leave, and after everybody has finished their candy and drinks, we are able to take pictures in the front of the train. How great! Wow, guys, look at all of the steam. This is a special thing they do right before they arrive at the station. Yep, we're almost there. This was great. I wish I could do it again, but I guess we'll have to do it another time. Yeah, guys, this ride is really fun and great. You guys really need to check this out. You have to come here if you live in California. It's really cool.
My name is not important. You're riding Amtrak. Now a restaurant on the right-hand side, Georgie's Cookhouse. Warm up with a hot bite to eat, hot beverages, or maybe you're ready for that ice cream or a milkshake. Now, if you're looking for your souvenir, look no further than the general store. Lots of neat railroad merchandise waiting on the shelves for you. Now, please hold your seat till we stop and toot the whistle when we get the locomotive lined up right on the sweet spot underneath our water tower here.
came back to the station, we hopped off and decided to check out some stuff in the gift shop, including some things about the history of this railroad and train. So guys, this is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you live nearby, I also hope you can come here soon. I really hope you guys can subscribe because it really encourages us and supports us to post more videos you guys will like. Any suggestions? Then put them down in the comments below. If you have a friend you know might like this video, then don't forget to share it to them. Share it all around the world. So guys, again, please subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Bye!